2020 Dodge Challenger GT all-wheel drive. Really beautiful black color. Really nice car. It's only got 1,000 miles on it. He drove it from Oak Grove, Kentucky to us just to get his exhaust done, which we really appreciate. There's the stock converters there and there. Then it goes into a factory X pipe right there, which they improved it actually a little bit. They moved it back more on the 2020. Then it's got the mid mufflers or resonators, whatever you guys want to call them. Everybody calls them different. And then we cut the rear mufflers or resonators. Again, Dodge calls them resonators. We call them mufflers. Whatever. I know. You know. There they are right here. If you want about 40% more sound, you take the back ones off. If you want about 20% more sound, you take the middle off and keep the back. And then if you want 70% more sound, you cut both of them off. But anyways, then they got the tips built into the bumper. So as you guys can see, and it is the GT. And that's how you can tell from that badge right there that it's all-wheel drive, which is badass in my book. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Oh wow! Yeah, see the difference. If you would have done the other way, it would have been half of that. Give a guess. Much better. Again. There's the sound decibels. Sound decibels. Go ahead. 95, so it's not going to be irritating and it's not going to drone too much inside.
I got hearing loss anyway. No, seriously.
No big deal, man. Oh, from what?
Childhood illness.
That's like, I'll tell you in a minute. It sounds so good. What do you guys think? Subscribe if you like the sound. And comment and like and all that good stuff they always tell you to do. Just helps us get bigger and bigger, man, so we can get better videos for you guys. I hope you guys love the videos as much as we like making them. Let you guys hear on the inside. Sounds good at idle too.